This is your 2023 tax return. To amend or view it, you need to reinstall TurboTax 2023. I'm Evan Brooks, a certified support engineer. Let's find the installer. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest TAX 2023 files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. The TAX2023 file extension is associated with the TurboTax 2023 guide. This file likely contains tax preparation information, instructions, and guidance specific to the 2023 tax year. It may include forms, worksheets, and other resources to assist users in accurately completing their tax returns using TurboTax software. The TAX 2023 file is designed to be opened and interpreted by TurboTax software. It likely contains structured data and formatting that is specific to the application. The file may include embedded links to online resources and interactive elements to guide users through the tax preparation process. It is not intended to be opened or edited with other software. Intuit, Inc. defined. TurboTax 2023 as the application primarily intended for Tax 23. The file requires external codec support that Windows does not provide natively. Windows offers no interpretation of complex data schemas, so the right application is essential. We'll conduct a full check of installed file readers now. Right-click your Tax 2023 file and select Open With. Test TurboTax 2023 if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates uncertainty. When your Tax 2023 file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, install the correct software year. Tax files are not backward compatible. You must have TurboTax 2023 installed to read the tax logic embedded in this file. Next, update the program. Tax laws change mid-season. Ensure TurboTax is updated to the latest patch level to prevent calculation errors or red failures. Finally, use PDF backup. If the Tax 2023 file is corrupted, check your Documents folder for a PDF export, which contains the visual representation of the forms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.